your different stages.
Okay.
Especially your the last 10 days so I no there. And also no you share that special activities.
Okay.
They ended the last 10 days. No. Not just say I didn't
finish hard.
First 10 no. Ebi mo achichem into 3.
Okay.
Obisi first 10 no ye. I say wa share say emu nya din bi second 10 no na owura baby I said last 10 no I say unse bibia uwi a. Na say emu aye di obi nso si first 10 no mom ena din because what did ya why used to say who did all the time na upstate you know. Into obi nso si first 10 no ya emu e din man kakra. E drew second 10 now go na last one no so it made a climax but let me say for the next 4 weeks and now 5 weeks there every Friday no you benya scholars summer it me I'll go through how special the month is no maybe I was say ne they was say you say way this year crowd ne Roman phone na share say pepe.
Because starting Wednesday na.
Ebi mo share say Wednesday, ebi mo share say Thursday.
No, Lent also starting on Wednesday. Do you know say Ash Wednesday we say man for the okay. I see. I said this year now will be catch me say one of the no share calendar no say possible say okay, well, I don't know, maybe at the next year or two, and maybe say, or say, share one of Christian festivals.
Christmas. Islamic calendar, days no so either 29 or 30 days. And we share the whole year. We share Gregorian calendar. Just a normal one na na use Ghana na 365 days, and about 1 year. But Islamic one year 355. Ebi kura sometimes it be 354 enti. Any Gregorian no difference near either 10 or 11 days. Enti na obi owa onti ase so say o share be 5 years ago fasting no ebi owa or the compare Gregorian now maybe no June or baby. Na ade na esi ade ase ade no aba February enti onti ase enti na make a change Islamic calendar no different from the Gregorian enti days no shorter kakra enti na e move enti possible obi can be say me am check here was it be I think o can say 2030 or so Salah no be follow on Christmas. Christmas you know.
Obi share that you with me too.
You be the album but it's all good.
How it will be.
Come on because once Ghana there Ghana and Kasa there. How feel because highest secular country you know. The way I observe we are fasting ye Salah ni na ye uniform unya say Christian community no back it sanso na kodru Christmas nso a unya Muslim community no ma omusom religious tolerance na no say John yame ba ko na ye na ye som no just that approach no bia different but any interest oh the any superior be than me say na me hu in religion no obia de but me case me dey need too superior me I'll try and argue with you now mama reasons intia me media who feel say eno mom more reasonable mawa na wa join but me ped aspect of condemning obi dey no there be
I see
even Prophet Muhammad aka say esum no yem force nipa yem compel nipa man enjoy o dia o try na wa convince nipa no ehu enti eno sa na obe join a vim ne mentality na o be more sustainable than say o hye nipa no say on be o hye na o chena o ni wa onye ana ono nko akohye ba bi o a onye at the end of the day won't achieve enti
that's fine we look forward to that
say nde no ye be kakra
okay Okay.
Fasting no one asem no.
Yeah.
Fasting there even though especially the Islamic calendar one of the 5 pillars no mandatory, but you were omo de omo ntimi obi a the aged obi a obru 80 eno say enye compulsory on so, but omo no kra no omo ye hun say naturally nipa unyini drew stage so bi a wo ahun say si a enche ehye utrim say enche wo be unu sa time kra na wo ben yame mo enti no ma enye compulsory on so kra no you would want to do it. Obi nso a wo chronic area emma entimi mane nye fasting say maybe obi o ulcer from time to time o so odidi enum na eduro ni normal no ono nso enye compulsory mano, but the amount who say fasting no compulsory ni say wo ulcer kra onye fasting no say wo pe obi a we onni bi o society na wo feed no enti say John say a day wo di 20 Ghana 30 Ghana meaning every day that amount of money no say wo pe obi di man
o sa
say wonya but say wo obi nso a wo ulcer one wo ulcer wo yare no ntimi nye two nso a onni ska ene ne de untimi nye wo hwe okra no hia se obi esama obi ema udi
em se man tine na wo kan yi wo se obi a ebia
make I say wo untimi nye se wo chronic area untimi nye fasting ni bi kra no wo no every day no ska wudi no for a day em fan say 20 Ghana 30 Ghana e wo so wo pe obi feeding no size can every day.
Oh, okay.
And it's a 30 Ghana.
Apart from the who
be deny say but say who ni bi kra dey no dey. E no untimi nya onhwe emfa. But say o yare emfa say this month me yare severe me ntimi nya fasting. But nya ade a ebe wo ho daada. Me nye but after a month or 2 or 3 na me ho tomia 30 days na etwemu no. Me ashim and I said you and thing because I told you I
say no say
when obi enti
o so ya pa fie na
but no so they are more flexible because the flexibility ni say with the month of Ramadan you share see from day one now untimi escape ade end but the onko awo ye later no a bit flexible betimi aye ne ochina onye na why by so we make sure say wait me cover 30 days no before the next Ramadan.
Okay.
Ebeba. I know so all baby a flexibility no.
Due to
no but just that as a won kwa why no be edi no.
With me about 3 days bia na. Be we just na the following week was I be 2 days na. I cover 5 no.
With me ko. I know so edi no.
Na me ka say o say bia wo a wo ye bi. Sika na nka obedi no na also pu bi dey.
Say John e say me boabo no dey twa na say me di sala.
Na me ka say dey wo kan no.
Me di sala. Na say me breaki. Obi o onim say. Kwai me dey twa. Obi o breaki kra na. Otimi spend there. Normal day onye fasting kra o spend otimi spend more than that because o breaki out person autonomous we brema oni ne nam fufu oni yidi which is
me crepa.
Ye wo normal e wo say ye hye ne nso. No ye be pay health expert amoma baba timi nso me de kakra me won and na make can generally fasting kra no good for the system wo na we intermittent fasting e boa we ma body na timi recover repair no ma bi o ha e wo say e repair but sometimes say John one hwe ya wo betima e fasting ni 30 days na the health benefit na e wo say wunya free fasting no aside the spiritual aspect no you lose it and then the way I sorry how much did ni the way I break it how be o wa wetimi sorry how much so John fufu a obedi ne mo ne ti a obenum no afa de ebo be 10 11 12 na ekom no aye mo afa onu ni say ni mu aye ha enti depending eduane a wodi an ho enti nutritionist beka kira o say udi nnuane a ewo high protein ne high fiber ne good fat na ebo because eno no eso body ni mo che yeah and twins you nso mo eche wo body nim dan say wo bekwa because carbohydrate o emo ne me say me di mo me nso me yi carbohydrate no ma no udi ai ma wo me wo be me say John wo sugar be kosoro but udi aduane ni dia wo be hu say e be drop na drop ya afi eno na wo koye adwuma kakra na energy ni na asa
okay
say John no why very weak enti eno no untimi nka nche nipa se man ndikura but udi eno kakra na udi fiber no kakra na udi aduane nso aye rich in protein ube hu se ebe chewo wo system nimpa
okay
na fiber de no nso aye ka no unya ahumachi unya ayi avocado na unya u beans bi to ayi oat kra no good na unya u kosue bi di na emu no kakra bi na unya u enwura ne kakra eboa wo ma sustain
yeah
ema utimi na eboa wo health wise no nso ehihye wo body no yi na ye breaking so a say John what na for a long time undidi na wo be breaking na wo di sugar no ma break a emo system unum nsuo no mo na unya warm one no kakra na afa later unya mo no kakra na na bibia measurable quantities na aboa enti eno no ebe wie fasting no na no osa me nanka me suggest say before obeye no wo de ko hospital na ko yi labs bi test bi na hwe o health status maybe o cholesterol wo de any de wo wie fasting na utimi go by san normal way san ko ye biom na hwe improvement wa ebeba ewo ho nti eboa but ya anye normal ni ya wo be wie no na health spiritual one ne de wo benya but health benefit no so e be boa no because health is a part of spiritual very important a part of in fact Islamic teaching and Christianity teaching because you see all body na ya me de ama no or the alone so e wo say wo hwe na wo hwe ni yi nti wan hwe so ye na wo say na ni na me me categorize as sin enye se wa ko wie obi no man ko ana say obi di japade ama o se hwe so na wan hwe so yie no a form of sin enti ye be hwe na
di sam community na education
na ye nyina no etimi enya benefit no na ye fan hwe say John one thing is say drew fasting timer a perception or high was say zongo etimi clear say John drew fasting timer wo be wura ya ye Muslim community no vices social vices no say so atikura yes obi no mo bi o utimi abstain say John ye wie fasting na but fasting a special month by no interest other month no so no ensum nyame o so the way I utimi abstaining from no maybe I will feel say enye this month no and it try we say o ka say the following month
for 1 month consistently ubetimi
say what month way
I mean say obi a for instance obi a ono bi a take alcohol that's also the 1 month
we jai and now we smoking say o liver na you know say okay you wura fasting muntime so wetin jai 1 month
just obetimi
kakra obetimi ejai kra
it's true
enti ye be hihye no ma so ama na ye benefit
ye nuanom kramofo amutie na no pain so no de ye de